Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY fenugreek oil at home, which is budget friendly. It's for the enhancement of your butts, your breasts, or whatsoever. So please help to share this video with your friends, comment on this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification beside it. Thank you very much. So we're starting off with the coconut oil. Pour 5 tablespoons of coconut oil into your steaming pot. Steam the coconut oil on a very low heat for 30 minutes. Turn off the heat and keep oil to room temperature. These are the fenugreek seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds to your coconut oil and stir, depending on the amount of coconut oil used. Steam the fenugreek seeds with the oil together at very low heat for 30 minutes. Get a clean bowl. Set a cheesecloth over the bowl to separate the steamed fenugreek seeds from the oil. That is your fenugreek oil. After 30 minutes of steaming your fenugreek seeds alongside with the coconut oil, you slowly pour the warm oil into your clean bowl covered with cheesecloth to separate your fenugreek seeds from the coconut oil. The cheesecloth should catch the fenugreek seeds. Then you discard the fenugreek seeds that are left in the cheesecloth. Your fenugreek oil is ready. The oil should turn slightly golden if it was a clear oil to begin with. The fenugreek oil will smell faintly bittersweet. You can transfer the fenugreek oil to a storage bottle with a tight lid. Like mine, I identified mine in case I have other bottles looking like that. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification beside it. Bye!